Hello, my name is Amanda Green, and today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about one of my favorite books that I have read for my own personal enjoyment recently. So recently I've read the book To All the Boys I've Loved Before by Jenny Han. I heard it was being turned into a movie, and I had read other Jenny Han books before, so I wanted to give it a try before the movie came out. And I really enjoyed this book because of the storyline. When you first read it, this main character, Lara Jean, she has like a hat box filled with love letters to all the crushes she's ever had before. But the cool thing is she doesn't send them. So she just writes out her feelings so that they're out there in the open and she's not harping on them in her heart and in her head and letting it affect her life. And that's something that, I've been told a lot of times by family and by teachers is to write out your feelings when they're so strong, or when you're extremely frustrated with someone, to draft an email or write it out, and not to send it, but just to get your feelings out there and feel like you got something off your chest. And those letters get sent out, and one of the boys approaches Lara Jean about the letters, saying he's flattered, but he's not really interested. He just broke up with his girlfriend. And Lara Jean instantly panics and wonders how those letters got out. She kept them in the hat box up in her closet. And throughout the whole book, you kind of forget that, the letters mysteriously got out until the very end. You figure out what happened with those letters. But along the way, Lara Jean ends up having a fake relationship to avoid confronting one of the boys about the love letter, because that boy was in a relationship with someone close to her, and she didn't want things to get complicated. And as she's having this fake relationship, things get more and more complicated. And it kind of struck a nerve with me and kind of stays with me, because it's a junior in high school, so she's going through a lot of life experiences that everyone is going through in high school and that I can remember being nervous about. And she was never really let anyone in before. This was her first boyfriend, and he was fake. And I just thought that was kind of an interesting topic that no one's ever really written about. And seeing high school through that lens of her then developing feelings for this boy. And you have to read the book to find out, why this fake relationship, I give you a little gist about it, but why it was really created. And you have to read more to find out how he feels about Lara Jean. Because, for the most part, it's told by Lara Jean's point of view, so that she's starting to develop feelings, and that's when she starts inching away, when she realizes, how am I going to explain I have feelings for my fake boyfriend? But you have to read to find out Peter, that's the character's name, Peter's point of view and what he really thinks of Lara Jean. And there is a sequel, so you will have to read on to find out why there's a sequel and what is the end result of the relationship. Do they go into a real relationship? Was it always just fake? Is he weirded out that she has actual real feelings? So you'll have to read on to find that out. And you'll have to read on to find why Lara Jean has such a struggle with forming relationships and getting into a relationship. Thank you.